traders? It's Wade here yet again from FX Trading. As you all know why I'm here, it's a brand new week, so I will be doing my weekly breakdown on gold, US30, GBPJPY, EURUSD, and as well GBPUSD. Guys, I hope you all had an amazing week last week. If not, let's make this new week count. I'd like to ask you guys to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, like the videos. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys shortly on the charts and then we'll take things from there. I'll see you soon. What's up traders? As you all can see, we are back on the charts. So yeah, I'll just like to ask you guys to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's see how this week goes and what I can pull out. So yeah, and let's see where the charts wants to be moving. As you guys do not need to take those trades. This is just more or less what I'll be looking for this coming week on, on the market when it comes to gold, GBPJPY, US30, and EURUSD and GBPUSD. So let's take things further. So yeah, I'm currently on US30 on the daily time frame. Come and just make myself a little bit smaller. So yeah. All right, so on last week on US30, I predicted or more or less thought that US30 will actually drop just slightly lower to 3562.4.91 and actually continue bullish. So yeah, that didn't actually happen as I planned. So as you guys can see, it actually rejected at this current or this level right here, which is, let's check. All right, 3601.18.19. So it actually rejected there and actually continued and pushed further up. But right over here, I actually wouldn't trade this. For me, on a 1 hour, this is more of a consolidation level. So if you go down to your 15-minute and your 5-minute, obviously you will be able to look for trades like that. But I do not really look at US30 or look at trades specifically on the lower time frame, and mostly my higher time frames, and looking for that actual nice big push to the downside or the upside. So yeah, we are currently on 362.48 around there, I guess. So yeah, for now I'm still predicting market to actually come further back down. So I'm actually going to leave it just as is and hopefully see that US30 actually drops and comes to this level of 3562.4.91, and then from there on actually continue pushing further up. If that does not happen, then obviously, as you guys know, that US30 will actually just continue pushing above and actually continuing pushing above that specific level which it's currently at the moment. And then from there, once it breaks that level, then obviously take further buy trades from there. Once that level breaks, then I'll look for a retest at that same specific level or zone, and then I'll look for retest, and then I'll look for certain buy trades from on US30 from there. But for now, I'm still hoping that US30 actually pushes back down, and then from there on rejects and pushes and continue further bullish. If that does not happen, as you all know, as traders, we actually just adapt to the market and take it from there. So let's go to gold. All right, gold was actually a fantastic week last week. As I told you guys that gold was going to reach 2000 to the 2000 level, which it actually did. As you guys can see right over there, it touched, and now it's starting to further push up on that current level which it is currently at. So yeah, let's go to objects, lines, arrows. Let me show you guys more or less where I feel that gold actually might push to. Oh really? Wait. So yeah, so what I'm looking for is mostly like a push to the upside to 2014.53, and then actually from there continue pushing further down from here on out and start pushing further down. If you go to your 4-hour time frame, my target more or less would be 197.500, which will be my next target. If that does not happen, obviously I'll wait and see, hopefully a push down, and then see how the market might move from there. But my target is much lower, so I'll see what the market wants from me for this coming week. If this actually continues bullish, come and just quickly check something from here. Boom, there. So there to there. From there to there. All right, so yeah, mostly I'm waiting for rejection at the 50 mark there, extension on the 50. But what am I doing? All right, so that's more or less what I'll be looking for gold for this coming week, as it has been making lower lows and lower highs on the higher time frames as well. So for this coming week, if it actually goes bullish, I'll actually wait for a push above 2025 and then a rejection on that specific level right there, and then a push to the upside actually in that bullish direction. This is if I have to look for any specific buy trades on gold. Gold is actually moving in a bearish trend, so I'm actually going to stay bearish for it now at this current moment until market shows me otherwise. Because if you look at your 4 hour, if you look at your Fibonacci, you had a crossover there, which you see this drastic drop in gold. As well in the hourly time frame, it crossed over there, and as well on the 30-minute as well. So from there as well, why gold as well, if you didn't take the specific buy trade right over here, I think this was NFP on Friday. Yeah, I think it was NFP. So as well, you can see market came back down, it crashed down, it actually made its lower high right here, pushed further down, could not break this lower low right here, which is a level of support. It could not break that support, which it pushed further back up to levels of 2034.26. So from there, it actually pushed back down and rejected on a lower zone. There's actually a support level or resistance level right here, and as well, it never broke 2034.26. It actually just went above, actually closed a little bit, and then started pushing back further down. But in your major levels, as your 4 hour, there was a crossover, and as well on your 4 hour time frame, it never broke this level of resistance. As you guys can see, there's 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, it never broke. So from there, I looked for sell trades on gold. So that was more or less why I took sell trades last week on gold, as it never broke that specific level of 2034.26. So yeah, that's why I was predicting more or less gold to push down, as there was this big push up to the upside and then just this drastic drop from there on out. So currently it has broken this level of support. So obviously I'm waiting for a retest at new levels of resistance. So guys, I'm talking a lot. I'm sorry, my bad. So yeah, I'll be looking for sell trades on gold. That's technically what I wanted to say, and reason why as well I looked for sell trades on gold, as this level of resistance just never actually broke. And if you look on your 15-minute, you can actually see, like if you look at this pattern right over here, what's that? That's a head and a shoulder. As well on your 15-minute, you can see that. As well on your 30-minute, it came up, head, shoulder, boom, drop, sell trade. That's something I actually wanted to say, which I forgot. So yeah, this is more or less what I'll be looking for gold, and yet sell trades and continue in this bearish momentum which is currently in. Let's go to Euro USD. All right, guys, as you see on Euro USD, my predictions for last week were right. It just didn't actually continue pushing up to 109277. It actually just continued pushing lower and actually just break below this previous level of support, which is right over there. Right, so for this coming week, I'm looking more or less for Euro USD to actually push to the upside, more or less to this level right here, if it doesn't actually just want to continue pushing further up to 1.08800. But I'm more or less going to stick to that specific level. Woo, let's put it there, which is 1.08440, and then from there on looking for sell trades and hopefully rejection from there, and continue pushing Euro USD to the downside from here on out. So yeah, and obviously once this breaks, more or less I'll just look for a nice retest right over there and continue selling down. So for now, I'm still bearish on Euro USD until market shows me otherwise, which is more or less wait for a break of 1.08800. Then from there, a retest at new levels of support, and then from there on continue pushing bullish. But for now, I'm not bullish on Euro USD, as it has broken this major level of support right there and to form new levels of resistance. So this is more or less what I'll be waiting for. Hopefully a rejection at that specific level right there, and then a continue and a push down to the downside. So let's go to Euro USD. What for me? Euro USD, GBPUSD. So all right, guys. Yeah, on Euro USD, I was actually a little bit wrong. I thought it was mostly going to continue bullish, but it did not. It actually broke down. So for GBPUSD, I'm waiting, actually, if you look on the daily, actually a push in this bullish direction, as it is making higher highs and higher lows. There is a possibility from here on out, because it broke the specific level here, that it might just continue pushing further down. But obviously I'll have to see what the market wants from me for this coming week, and then just take it from there. So if that does not happen, then I'll be waiting and looking for sell trades on GBPUSD. Can I just move this low so I don't need to keep, you know, what did I do? Boom, shakalaka, boom. All right, let's just make it smaller and just put it there. Pew. All right, so if I have to take any buy trades from here on out, I'll wait for levels of 1.26225 to break, and then actually push back down to new levels of support, and then continue bullish from here on out. If I have to look for any buy trades on GBPUSD, if that does not happen, I'm more or less waiting for sell trades, and then actually a break below 1.25,000, and then from there on a pullback up to new levels of resistance, and then actually a push down, and then my targets will be close to 1.22500. So this is what I'll be looking for any sell trades for this coming week on GBPUSD. But the problem is, on the higher time frames, it's actually on a level of support. So for now, I'm still bullish until direction shows me otherwise. Even though this 4-hour moving average, 50 and 20 moving average did cross over, there is still a possibility that the market actually might just continue pushing further down. So I'll wait what market wants to show me for this coming week, and then takes things from there. I hope that makes sense. Let's go to GBPJPY. Guys, as you see, GBPJPY actually did come break back down. So on GBPJPY, I'm going to continue and hoping for sell trades, but there's a 1, 2, 3 touch, which is actually a rejection on the daily. So that for me still says that maybe GBPJPY actually wants to continue still pushing to the upside. So we'll have to wait, or I'll have to wait and see what it actually wants to do. So I more or less feel that GBPJPY is going to push up to levels of 185.000, and then actually let me know and decide what it wants to do from there. So there is still a possibility that it might continue bullish because of this levels that it's kept rejecting on your daily time frame. So there is a possibility that the market just might continue from here on rejecting and pushing up, breaking levels of 185.00, and then continue pushing up to the upside into that bullish market. For now, I'm staying a little bit away from GBPJPY. So if you guys want to trade it, that's up to you. For now, I still need to wait for a few things, but for now, I still see looking for buy trades until more or less this level of 185.00, unless it shows me otherwise. Right. So yeah, that's for me for this coming week on GBPJPY, gold, US30, and as well EURUSD, GBPUSD. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So yeah, then I'll hopefully see you next week or in the week if I have to do, you know, I'm trying to make more videos, so let's see how it goes. So guys, enjoy the week and let's have an amazing week. Let's all make money, and please do not risk the amount in the market that you cannot afford to lose, guys. And please do not chase the market and do not overtrade. I know as traders we do make that mistakes, and sometimes we do chase the money, which is very wrong. We're not supposed to chase the money, but just chase the process and enjoy your, how can I say, your journey as a trader. So I'll see you guys hopefully next week or in this week. So enjoy it, guys. Shot.